Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Bybit cryptocurrency app in your device. Okay, so this is really short and easy tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So we need to go Google Play Store, or you can go App Store if you are an Android iPhone user. Then once you click on the Play Store, then you will see the interface of Google Play Store, and then click the search bar Bybit. So Bybit, and then okay, and I'm just gonna click here. Bybit, buy Bitcoin, trade crypto. So you can see here, it's the really amazing app. You can on daily basis, or you can trade here. You can buy Bitcoin and trade crypto. So simply click install. Once you click install, and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching the video.